studio today and I'm making spinach rice with the secret ingredient. When my son Jed was on a gluten-free diet, I started making a lot of rice dishes and this one was his favorite. What we're going to do is we're going to soak half a cup of rice for about half an hour. If you're a novice cook, the reason we soak the rice is so the rice starch absorbs some of the water and the cooking time is shorter and the rice is a lot softer. A spoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan so the butter doesn't melt. And I'm just adding some garlic and some shallots, or you can use onions. And I'm just going to saute these for half a minute or a minute until they're translucent. And now I'm adding about 2 cups of spinach. It's about 125 grams of spinach to this, and I'm just going to let the spinach cook for about 2 minutes until it's all wilted. Now I'm going to add the drained rice. Remember to drain your rice and add that to the spinach. And to that, we're just going to add double the quantity of water as compared to rice. So a cup of water, some salt, and some pepper. And you want to bring the rice to a boil and then cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. At the end of 10 minutes or halfway through the cooking, we're going to add some cream. I've got some Parmesan cheese, some thyme, a little bit of rosemary, that's optional if you like rosemary, and some parsley. And just to give a little more flavor, I'm going to add some nutmeg, freshly grated. Just mix that, and we're going to put it back to cook. And after cooking for 20 minutes, if you have it, an optional ingredient that really gives a lot of flavor is truffle butter or truffle oil. And I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of the secret ingredient to my rice. And it's done.